yourself?
So, good morning everyone. My name is James Monterola, 18 years old, from Puran, Zamboanga del Sur. I finished my senior high school at Puran Technical Vocational High School. Looking forward to being friends with you all.
And I want you to show to him how welcoming we are.
Hey James, since you are transferring, I can offer my notes that colleagues are last happy. You can have it and study with them.
Oh, thank you. What's your name?
I am Siren Baba.
Nice to meet you, Siren.
Nice to meet you too.
My dear James, I am Brandon Zapla. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Brandon.
Okay, so I wanted also to welcome you, James. Welcome to my class. Be comfortable with us.
So, since I already finished discussing the various characteristics of the Filipinos, I wanted you to make a slogan about it. I want this activity to be performed by group, and you can use bond paper.
Hey man. Don't hesitate to share your idea matters.
Okay, do you have any scratch paper?
Yes, of course.
This okay, Siren?
What a great idea, James. Right, Radan?
Yes, yes.
Go.
Okay, so let me handle the design.
Here, James, have some water. Oh, thank you.
Oh no! I ruined it! It's okay, James. We can redo it. Resilience means without quit.
Come on, James, let's be cheerful. I'll take up your room. Here, guys, I have an extra math picture.
Okay, let's start again. We're finally done. Here's our slogan.
Okay, class, are you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so since you are done, I want you to perform it here in front.
Art, one class, one future means being hospitable, respectful, resilient, and shows teamwork to others.
Start.
Okay, so very good. Nice presentation. I saw all 6 values, not just in your words, but in your actions. That's what makes me proud of. And anyway, is there any question about your task or activity? Okay, so since there is none, I'll be the one who will ask you a question. So, here, Mr. Baba, what is hospitality?
Hospitality is making everyone feel they belong. Oh no, I forgot my wallet. It's okay, I have money here. You can borrow it and you can. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.